What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Penkabi. This Defi bully. I'm just doing a quick update of the baked beans, the best miner ever. Super Saiyan God, baked beans. Look at this contract, 33,000 BNB. I just did a hydrate. I just hydrated. Rebaked. Sorry, I just rebaked. I just want to build up my thing, so I'm just rebaking. I'm rebaking right now. I gotta admit, I was taking a lot of profits. Not a lot, but I was withdrawing profits in order to fund other projects that was going on in the space. And I'm a YouTuber, you can't blame me. I'm not monetized. You can see I don't even have my subscribe account. So we're trying to do the thing. Right now, if you look, I'm at 111 million beans. Hopefully by the next couple days time, I could push it all the way to that 200 million mark. But it has been paying out consistently. I believe it's not too late because I think this contract balance is going to keep going up, especially with all of these forks. Yo, Crypto Rock, what's good? I'm about to hit you up in a second right after I post this video. I know he trying to talk about something good. Oh, speaking of Crypto Rock, I heard him say in a video a strategy that he had that was similar to a strategy I had that I mentioned in a video I believe I did last week or so. Now, I did post a video earlier today about DeFi Temple, and I forgot to say my strategy. Now, my strategy, again, with these miners is, it might sound kind of crazy, but I want to have like 7 miners. I want to have like 7 miners, maybe more, maybe less, but around 7. So I could keep the same method of compounding 6 and claiming 1 on each of them. So I could claim every day on each, but at the same time building the contracts and helping assist the ecosystem of each project. Because all these projects, I do have high hopes for them. And baked beans, I have the most hope for this. So, I got to do, So that's my strategy when it comes to baked beans and these other miners. Also, you guys, please check out Moonarch. That app is a good way just to have all your things in one place. Although I do realize that some of the miners are not showing up on here. Like the fish farm doesn't show up on here. I will have a list of different projects that I'm in the description. If you're interested in it, you can check it out. I do have videos on them as well. I do want to keep this one extra short, but let's take a quick look at the one. The world's flying in my face. I do want to take a quick look at the Telegram group for the baked beans miner, since we're doing an update video on the baked beans miner. Oh man, what the hell? Oh yeah, Splassive is back live, people. Splassive is back live. They seem like they doing their thing. Seem like they're trying to rectify. The price is also going up on that. I guess I can't help and say I'm not going to be in it because I already have money in it. So we're just gonna see how that goes, how the price goes, and I'll decide if I want to continue compounding my Splassive. I did take a little profit today. Took about like $90 out. And I fed that into the fish farm and some other things. So yeah, if you guys do want to join that, it does pay 2% a day. Now back to this baked beans. To all beaners, let's see the last update. It said to all baked beaners, we do not have a support channel. So I do believe there's a lot of scammy things going on that will happen when you're very successful. A lot of people will impersonate people, act like someone else. Even me, I hope they don't do it, but do your research on that too. We do not have a support channel. Our staff will not DM you first. We will not reach out to you without publicly addressing it here first. That means in a group. We do not suggest downloading files, clicking links, or trusting random people that DM you from the chat. We do our best to filter out the bad players, but it's almost impossible at this point. We have lots of scammers due to our success. So do your best not to click random links and unverified sources. I do understand it could be easy to fall for that. If you guys saw some of my videos, I fell victim for this twice. So it is a normal thing. You just got to be extra careful. And just try to double check things before you invest in money into the links. And, make sure it's an actual contract address. When coins are launching, that's when you especially see a lot of these scammers and a lot of these people impersonating. And, yeah, we don't like seeing it, but that's the space that we're in. We're decentralized finance. So it's not very much regulations when it comes to these things. It's a good thing and a bad thing, so please do your research to stop. Now back to this. It says there are lots of scammers due to our success, so do your best not to click random links and verify sources. To stop being added to random groups and receiving random DMs, go into your account settings, tap privacy security. Under groups, change it to contacts only. Calls, change to contacts only. Be careful, do not fall for scams, everyone. Okay? Shout out to yeah, part of the dev team. I could never pronounce that. Like, they always be changing it. But yeah, shout out to you for informing the people that this is something that happens in this space. And we gotta be very careful. Like, it's risky business, high risk, high reward. Now remember that strategy, people. My strategy is to get a good amount of miners so I can compound 6 days on each of them and draw 6 days. Draw 1 day a week on each one. And hopefully I get it to a point where I'm comfortable. Maybe 300 a day on each. Something like that. The sky's the limit in DeFi, yo. But yeah, do your own research. Stay protected out here. Look at this. Baked beans miner. If you press total value locked on Moonarch, look at this. If you go to the highest total, okay. It seems like you could pay for a spot at the top because I know sometimes it's yellow. So I'm guessing there's some advertising spot right here. But if you look right here, Baked Beans has passed the drip garden in total value lock. 13,301,000. And drip garden is at 12 million. My God, this is a big feat, people. This is a big feat. One small step for miners, one giant step for baked beans, kind. Let me stop being corny. I just wanted to do a quick update on that. I want to just shout out to Crypto Kratos, everybody a part of the team, the Juice team, Juice, everybody that's a part of the team, Mr. FOMO. Although I ain't hear from you yet. What's up, Mr. FOMO? But yeah, you guys done a lot for me, and it might not seem like it, but you guys are changing lives out here. You definitely changing my life. You're making me want to go harder with this YouTube thing. I encourage people to jump on the YouTube stuff and do all that stuff as well, because there's a lot of money out here for everybody. We don't have to be hating on each other and holding each other down. That crab in the barrel mentality is old school. Let's step into the new world. Let's step into the new generation, the next generation. We're heading into the age of Aquarius. That's the age of enlightenment, people. The things in the dark is coming to the light. We can't be giving our monies to the banks for little crumbs. Now let's make some big bucks, big bags. It's 2022. So let's look for the best things to get into 2022, 23, 24, and the foreseeable future. And I know I'm doing a lot of rambling. I said I was going to make this one short, so I'm going to just cut it right here. It's not financial advice. People, do your own research.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.